So when you open up MetaInsight Beta, you should see a page that looks like this. And the first thing you've got to do is choose whether your outcome is a continuous or binary outcome. And MetaInsight have an inbuilt dataset for both of these outcomes. And you can see that dataset by clicking on the Load Data tab and then just viewing data. And so for the continuous outcome, you can see down here information that it's from a systematic review looking at interventions for treatment of obesity, and this outcome is looking at BMI loss. For the binary outcome, the inbuilt dataset is looking at interventions for quitting smoking. For this demonstration, I'm going to focus on the continuous outcome. So again, you can see the data here, but there is an option to upload your own data if you have your own NMA data file. You simply upload it here as a CSV file and then input the treatment labels. Then you want to go to data analysis. So this demonstration will be showing how to find and use the new feature of the treatment ranking panel. This feature is particularly only for Bayesian network meta-analyses, so you'll just want to come onto this tab here. But obviously, if you're new to MetaInsight, we really do encourage you to explore all the other functionalities of it. But just for the moment, for this demonstration, we're going to focus on the Bayesian and the treatment ranking panel. So you have a few options here that you need to choose. So you need to choose which outcome you actually want to use for your data. You want to choose whether you want a random or fixed effects model. And here, the important one, you want to decide whether a small outcome value is actually desirable. And for this dataset, that is true because you want BMI to be reduced. And this is the difference in the BMI from baseline to 3 months later. So then you just click this button to run the meta-analysis. This may take a little while depending on your data. As you can see here, it's come through and it's just a nice little forest plot. So then to find the new feature, you click here on 3C ranking panel. And this might take a little bit of time to load up because basically it's doing the ranking results and it's showing all these different plots here. But the beauty of it is that when it is loaded, when you choose between the plots, it shouldn't have to be reloading each time. So as you can see here, there are 3 panels to sort of look at all together. Your main ranking results are here, and you can choose between 2 different plot types and different options here. You can see the relative effects, so you can actually see what the differences are between these treatments. And then over here on the right, you can sort of see what evidence is behind those ranking results. You can download each of the plots, and you can also click here to see the actual probability ranks and the sucra. Thank you for your time.